Hey everyone, it's Melody Lane here, and in this video, we're gonna go over unboxing the knife blade. Keep watching.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Okay, here is the knife blade. Okay, now let me break in here and let you know, this knife blade comes separately. So you get the housing or the replacement blade. They will be sold separately, not in one package like I got. The reason for this change is so you can get it at a more affordable price. Here, I'll show it up close. Remember, these will be a separate purchase, the knife blade housing and the replacement blade. It comes with an extra blade and it comes with a changing cap. It also has a clear cap inside here. This only fits on the Cricut Maker machines. It will not fit on the Cricut Explorer machines. The Cricut Explorer machines are not strong enough to withstand the pressure it needs for the knife blade. The Explorer machines just don't have the technology needed for the adaptive tool system that the Cricut Maker has. And here's the back. These are premium carbide blades. It cuts up to 3/32 of an inch of balsa wood, 2mm leather, 2mm Cricut chipboard, and more. Used with the Cricut Maker machines only. Requires a computer with design space. For additional information, visit help.cricut.com/knifeblade. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments of this video, and I answer all of the questions asked. Notice this says for computers with design space. If you have a Maker but you don't have a computer, you can't use the knife blade. The reason for that is the knife blade is really smart. It uses many passes. Some passes have more pressure than the others. Some passes may be slower than the others, but depending on the material you need, depends on how many passes. It can go up to 20 passes. And if it's really intricate project, it's gonna take a lot of time. That will use up your phone the entire time. Now I'm talking 2 to 3 hours for some projects. Now for simpler projects, it won't take that long, but you don't want your phone to be used for that long just on this. All right, are we ready to open this baby up? Okay. It has perforated lines back here, so you can open that up without ripping it open. That's what I usually do, is just rip it open. Okay. Oh, look at that. I open that. Nope. There we go. Okay, now inside, there's important instructions for changing the knife blade. Keep these instructions. You might want to keep this with the extra blades in the compartment in the Maker, like right inside here with your extra blades. So it explains right here how to change the blade, and I'll do it in video so you'll know how to do it, but it's always good to have these instructions for later. Okay, now let's take these things out. This is the extra knife blade. And the knife blade lasts depending on what you're cutting. If you're cutting leather, it'll last longer than if you're cutting chipboard or wood. Chipboard and wood would dull the blade faster than leather. This is the changing cap. You need this to change the blade. This does come with the extra blades, so when you buy extra blades, you'll get another one. And here is the blade everyone's been waiting for. This is so exciting. So it has this, just like the rotary blade does. And it has this cap. So when you're not using it, you really want to put this cap on. Don't lose this cap. The cap just pulls off and goes back on. And there's the knife blade. Don't drop this. this can chip. So you don't want any chips in your knife blade or you won't get good cuts. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I try to answer every single question. And remember, every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, I do a live Design Space class. It's on this channel and it's free to everyone subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.